Anmol Shahid and a part of Morgan Stanley. As we all know that our SBU has nominated for achieving the target of 1 billion for the year 2020. So let's see how our delivery managers and program managers are planning for this initiative. Let's go and check out. Hey, hi Pankaj. What does it mean for you when you hear 1 billion as an SBU?
Obviously, it means that there have been a lot of people who have spent long hours and weekends working. Anyway, jokes apart, $1 billion, wow. It will be a proud moment for all of us. It means that we have extremely clever and visionary leaders as well as dedicated teams who have worked tirelessly in delivering innovative solutions to the customer. It will gear us up for larger revenues, bigger opportunities to achieve even more than $1 billion going forward. Thank you.
What do you need to focus on to get into 1 billion?
Shahid, first of all, to hear that 1 billion, I'm really excited. Okay, and at utmost zeal onto that, how we are going to achieve on that. As from a delivery perspective, I really feel that focus on, based on the Tech Mahindra philosophy, which is primarily talks about customer delight, and primarily on the future ready associates, to keep our future ready associates. My focus initially on this area primarily belongs to make the teams future ready with the future ready skills over there, with the digital technologies, delivery next, have the team with an agile ready, where my customer primarily looking on that, and also making them to upskill and the reskills. These are the things where helps make my team utmost meet my delivery quality and to our customer satisfaction. Started the journey, individual groups, getting them trained on various skills which are required for delivery next as part of the TechM programs and the learning programs what we have. Ram, what do you have, any suggestion or any your view on that?
Sure. I definitely second what Girish had told right now about our focus areas, the upskilling and reskilling the existing resources. So apart from that, our focus also should be towards understanding what the customer needs are. So we need to open up all our senses to understand what the customer is looking at, what their roadmap is for the next year, 2 years or 5 years down the line, and see how we can help them achieve their targets. So once you work along with the customer to achieve their targets of their growth, definitely I think we would also lead to our goal of achieving 1 billion. So I think everybody would agree with me when we say that when you have a target, you have a path to achieve it. And I think the $1 billion question now is to identify that path.
What you will do differently to get that 1 billion as an SBU?
Yeah, that's a good question. So I would focus on associate delight. So because I know that would help me in exceeding customer expectations. And also, like when our associates are delighted, so they'll be able to help in building the knowledge base, and we can also retain